I had to put my coat and stuff on in case I gotta run, cause I'm about to start something. Look at them. They just still sitting around. Look at this dude. He's stalking me. Look. I got the whole beach on lock right now. All right, here we go, fellas. Let's see how this works. Oh, look at him. Murdering him. Nope, get away from me. Don't do it. I'll be eating bird tonight. Look. They stalking me. Mashallah though, y'all being real respectful. I appreciate that. Alright, I'm about to give him a little more. Oh. Look. Back up, bird. Come on, get away from me. Look, yo, I'm like the life of the party right now. Look. Yo, if I was trying to catch one of y'all, I couldn't touch you. Why y'all gotta get so close, yo? Back up. Back up. Alright, back up. Look, he trying to come from behind on me. Y'all birds not slick. Y'all not slick. Y'all lucky I don't like fries. Alright, here we go. We're gonna do it again. Oh. Go for it. Look at him. And look, they all coming right back over here like, yo, this is the dude right now. Look, I'm that dude right now. Alhamdulillah. Just make sure y'all hook me up, man. I got a couple more fries in here, so I'm not gonna get my burger though. Oh. Yo, they smart, yo. Every time I try to put my hand, I'm about to put my hand back in the joint. Yo, back up. I don't know y'all like that. Back up. I don't know y'all like that. Back up. Look, I got the whole beach on lock. Yo, it's no other, oh no, some birds down there. Back up. All right, here we go. Look at him. They come right back over here. Look. Oh, y'all can't see it. There's some birds in the water. Oh, they ain't even think about us. Back up, yo. Get off my tea. I'm trying to get my sweet tea. Back up. All right, one more, man. No, matter of fact, yeah, one more fry. I got one more. Yo, look at this dude. You about to mess it up for everybody, bro. All right, y'all want to fight? Back up. You don't want no sauce with me, bro. Stop trying to sneak up on me. Yo, look, they was trying to make a move on my tea. That's it, yo, we done, man. Shop closed. Nope, shop closed. Get out of here. No, we done. All right, y'all, we out.